繼續說明啊，講將來嘅事咧，唔好攬住個 shall 或者 will 唔放啊嚇。嗱，舉個例，你問一個人啊，呢個星期六做乜啊咁，千萬唔好話 What will you do this Saturday？ 睇落去 grammar 冇乜事，但係 usage 呢個用法咧好唔妥當。基於禮貌咧，我哋當人生活係有晒計劃嘅，因此應該話 What are your plans for this Saturday？ Do you have any plans for this Saturday？如果你唔直接用 plans 呢個字咧，你可以話 What are you doing this Saturday？ 用嘅就係 present tense。第二個例啦，有個學生快畢業啦，你問佢有咩打算，有4句可以俾你選擇。What do you plan to do？ What are your plans？ What are you doing？ What are you going to do？ 嗱，以上咧直接或者間接咧，我哋都問人嘅計劃或者意向嘅。如果你話 What will you do？就完全冇法子表達出嚟㗎啦。